Hello viewers, welcome to SV Technology. In this video, I am going to give a full roadmap for machine learning engineering. So in this video, I am going to cover what are the skills you require to learn machine learning, and while learning what are the projects you have to do, and what are the jobs you have to apply, and what are the companies are hiring for machine learning expert, and what is the average package of machine learning expert in India. And finally, I am going to give free resources and course links as a bonus. If you want that course links and resources, please do watch the video till the end. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and support me. So coming to the skills required to learn machine learning, what are the skills you require means you must learn a Python language or R language, Java or C++ is optional. My suggestion is to learn Python programming or R programming, and you should be good in maths, especially in statistics, and you should learn linear algebra, calculus, probability and statistics, and you should be very good in supervised, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, which are machine learning algorithms, and you should be capable of data handling also, like data cleaning, transformation and visualization. So for these things I have given already roadmap in my previous videos. Please do visit my previous videos also, data analytics and data science. You should aware of some tools like tools and libraries like TensorFlow, Keras and PyTorch, Scikit-learn, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib. Okay, so all this you should know, and finally you should know cloud platforms like AWS and GC and Azure. Any one of these, not three, any one of these. I prefer AWS. Why? Because the AWS having 51% share of cloud computing. So go with this one, AWS. So while you are learning machine learning, go with these projects like related to horse price prediction, spam email detection, image classification, customer segmentation, sentiment analysis, movie recommendation system, sales forecasting and chatbot development. Like these projects, real-time projects you have to do to get a good idea about machine learning. So coming to the jobs, what you can apply and what are the companies are hiring for this means, first of all, we go with jobs, what you can apply. So you can apply machine learning engineer, data scientist, AI research scientist, data analyst and business intelligence developer, computer vision engineer and NLP engineer, big data engineer and robotics engineer, quantitative analyst. These are the jobs you can apply after learning the previous slide skills, okay, in machine learning. And coming to the average package, as a entry level engineer only you are going to get 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs, as a mid level you get 10 lakhs to 20, and as a senior level you get 35 lakhs plus annually as per your experience and knowledge. If you want more details about this salary, go to this website and visit. So what are the companies you can apply after learning these machine learning skills? Most of the companies, famous companies, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, Meta and Apple, IBM, Nvidia is famous for machine learning and AI tools, and Tesla, Uber, Salesforce. All these companies are hiring for machine learning expert, machine learning engineer. So coming to the free resources, please do visit description. I will give all these links in description also. So Coursera giving a free course on machine learning, and edx.org and developers.google.com. These websites are giving a free resources and course for machine learning along with the certificates. So that's it guys, this is about the machine learning roadmap. Do you want more videos like this? Please do subscribe and support me. This is Mahesh signing off.